Now look, who does have that? Now you don't like that.
Now you.
Now you happy? When they post for Instagram.
Now you know. Wait till say you know see the talk and they follow the video for Instagram.
They follow the video for Instagram. Wait till say
Abi the video they follow am. But this guy
Wait till say snap picture
show money.
wait till say the talk and I bored.
Everybody reach for Instagram. Come and know.
Come here.
Let me start living fake life with cheap data.
Hello? I bet knows that this.
Yeah, what's happening?
I talk to your pikin. Carry this thing.
Hello. Daddy, they kidnap you. They have kidnapped you.
Hello? Yes, it be so. Your pikin dey enter one chance. And a 50 million now we go take bill am.
Well, cut the call. You don't cut am.
He cut call o.
Your back cut call.
Wait, if they come back. Hello? Now give your pikin. Where now? Your papa follow talk. Carry.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, no sir.
Sir, they've kidnapped me.
They don't kidnap you, shit.
Yes, sir.
How many times have I warned you? Me know they use people motor they snap picture. You dey post inside limousine, say the talker na your boy. When your mama dey village, they say akpu. Not that car I say me you send this last week. You never send am o. Now you take 50 million. See, as it be so, I don't use your school fees. Go play 2 words. Eh, I can't say follow them to go house. Let's go down. So, now make life dey live for